break his chums.
Fucking hell.
Well, what did he do? You gotta buy them again. And buy the whole set to
Hey, wait, guys, look at this. I can see this whole pride thing. You know, we have Audra, she's definitely the queen. We have STM, he's the king. And we have Danny, who may occasionally be the evil brother, but he's not. he's the you know, awesome, funny uncle that is kind of weird but fucking awesome at the same time. And we here are like the, you know, the cubs of the fucking pride. Fuck yeah, get over here, you too, Tanya, get over here. We're, yeah, well, Tara. We are the cubs, and that's that. Fuck yeah, and we have Simba with us here. His heads. And yeah, we are the cubs. These are the adults, and he's kind of the half adult-ish kind of thing. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. All I know.
What's going on?
I don't know. All I know.
Join a group party.
Yeah, of course you can. You too, Danny. Get over here. Yeah.
Well, we have no take a picture.
we need a.
You're switching her.
We need a third party taking this picture, but wait, stay here.
We'll do it.
Stay in this exact. No, STM, stay, guys, seriously, stay. Hey, stay. I want to take a group.